We are keeping track of all the rumors and leaks about the next iPhones, including the possibility that Apple may finally use USB-C charging and do away with the Lightning connector with the F115. The iPhone May 15th reportedly have a more rounded form to make it more pleasant to handle. Rumored characteristics also imply that Apple intends to maintain a significant gap between the iPhone 15s and iPhone 15 Pro. Both the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max are anticipated to have a potent new 3M-A17 Bionic processor, a titanium-sided design, and, in the case of the Pro Max, a new periscope zoom lens. Based on historical trends, it is simple to forecast when the iPhone 15 will be released. If Apple follows the same pattern as in the past, we may anticipate the iPhone 15 to be announced on September 6th and released on September 15th. Apple often launches its flagship phones in September, with the announcement coming approximately 10 days before the release date. However, there are rumors that trial production for the iPhone 15 begin a month earlier than usual, which could indicate an earlier release date, though this has not been confirmed. Instead, display production for the iPhone 15 is scheduled to start earlier than usual, with an emphasis on avoiding stock short images rather than an early release. Unless we hear otherwise, it's reasonable to believe that the iPhone 15 will be announced in September 2023. When the iPhone 14 was released, there were rumors of a 15 price hike, but this turned out to be inaccurate in the United States, where the only change was the discontinuation of the lowest small model. The price of the iPhone 14 in the US ranges from $799 for the base model with 128GB to $1,599 for the iPhone 14 Pro Max with 1TB. The prices for the iPhone 15 are probably going to be comparable, but there have been rumors of a $100 price rise for the iPhone 15 Pro this time around. The newest and most sophisticated features of the iPhone might be to blame for this rise. It's uncertain if this price increase will be applicable in other areas. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.